I'm Lulu Amherst. My major is communication and classics. What interests me about UMass Create is the ability to kind of give students the platform to create their own website. So being able to give students the access to create their own platform is really, really interesting. My site is actually very specific, and it's about the concept of a Mary Sue in both fiction stories and also modern media and television and movies. So I got really interested in it because I've had to delve into the fandom world for my thesis, and so I kind of got to know a little bit about how female characters are treated in the modern consciousness, and so I found it really interesting, this concept of a Mary Sue. The main difference in the way that female characters are treated and male characters is that no one really questions it. When someone like Luke Skywalker is able to do all these things, no one says anything, but then when a female character can, she's labeled as this negative thing. What I plan on doing in the future, especially with UMass Create, is being able to kind of figure out how to create my own type of website. That's something that I'll need to know when I go into the job market, since I'm more interested in marketing and social media. So being able to really understand blogs and how to create websites will be really, really beneficial to me.